Have you ever seen a hen on a farm? Hens are amazing creatures. They lay the eggs we eat for breakfast, but did you know that a hen starts its life as a tiny egg? Let's learn about the amazing journey of a hen from egg to adult. We'll follow each stage of its life cycle. Get ready for some fun facts about these feathered friends. It all starts with an egg. A hen lays a single egg, usually once a day. The egg feels smooth and hard. Inside, it's a safe and cozy home for a tiny chick to grow. The yolk is the yellow part. It gives the chick food to grow bigger and stronger. Can you believe all that fits inside an egg? The hen sits on her eggs to keep them warm. This is called incubation. After about 21 days, something amazing happens. The chick inside the egg starts to hatch. It uses its tiny beak to peck a hole in the eggshell. Peck, peck, peck. Slowly, it breaks free. The world welcomes a brand new chick. Section 4, Little Chick, Big World. The chick is covered in soft, fluffy down. It's still quite wobbly on its feet. The mother hen keeps a watchful eye on her chick. She teaches it how to find food like seeds and insects. The chick grows quickly, getting bigger and stronger every day. Soon it will be covered in feathers, just like its mom. Section 5, Clucking and Scratching, a hen's life. As the chick grows, it becomes an adult hen. It can now lay its own eggs and start the life cycle all over again. Hens are very social creatures. They cluck and talk to each other. They scratch the ground with their feet to find food. Hens are amazing mothers and play an important part in our world.